So we have a pubspec file in our Flutter project. So every Flutter project comes with a pubspec file. So if I open this, this is the pubspec file for my project right here. And every Flutter project has this file, and basically it is a configuration file, and Flutter uses this to for dependencies, for assets, for images, for packages, and basically every Flutter project needs this file in order to run properly. So open this file, the pubspec file, and if you scroll down, we have the version, the environment SDK, the SDK version, and the dependencies right here. So you don't have to touch any of this, and dev dependencies, and then you see a Flutter right here. So we can see under Flutter we have uses material design true, and there are a bunch of comments here. So you can go ahead and delete these comments right here. So I'm going to delete that. So you can delete these comments, and there's another comment here, and we can delete this one as well. But there's an assets here, and there's a hash symbol before this. So you can go ahead and delete this hash symbol right here, and you can go ahead and delete these two. Well, you don't have to delete these two. You just delete these two hash symbols again under assets. Now we can delete this line, and we have assets here, and under assets, as you can see, there are two examples of image files right here. So you can delete these two lines and add your image files here, just the location of your image files. And one thing that's very important when it comes to a pubspec file is the spacing. So if the spacing is wrong, then you're going to get an error and your project is not going to run. So the spacing is very important, and usually it uses the tab. So this usually is the correct spacing. So all I need to do is to add my add the image location, and the location of my images are okay. So the location for this image, I just need to check the location, and let's see, I can just copy the path. So the path here is this is actually the path from the content root. This is the correct path if you want to use it in the pubspec file. So I'm going to use this one. So it's lib my images image-1. This is the correct path. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to paste this here. And I have another one. I mean, the naming is the same path, and the naming is pretty similar. So, but the other one is image-2. All right, so I have my two. I have the two image paths here. So all I have to do is to change the code. So let's go back to the code and the container. So we have to delete the icon here. So this is the output that we have right now. We would like to delete this icon right here. So I would like to delete this icon, and we need to add the image widget. So image, and inside this image, asset image, and inside the asset image we will have the we have two images here. So I would like to load the first one. So I'm just going to copy the path right here, and I'm going to paste it here just like that. And all I have to do is to run the project. And here it is. This is my image.